Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to take you through the steps of mail merge. And mail merging, before we even go any further, is an automated process in software that combines a template document with a list of recipient data to create personalized mass communications like letters, to create envelopes, to create labels, and many more. Have you ever wondered how someone or how a person is able to type one letter and send it to very many recipients? Like maybe, for instance, they have a wedding ceremony or a birthday party that they want to invite their friends and family for. Have you ever wondered how they are able to send the same letter to each of the people they want to invite, but with each letter having the specifications or the initials of that very person they're sending it to? If you have ever, then this is the answer. They use a word feature which is called mail merging. So let's get started. So we are going to open the new Word document, which we had already learned how to open before. So we'll come to the start menu, start button, and we come down and look for where Microsoft Office is. Then we let's come down a bit and look for Microsoft Word. Yeah, so here we have our Word. We will open it. As it opens, let it open. Let's wait for it to open. Let's wait for it to open. Yeah, so here we will come and click on our blank document. We will leave the templates alone. So we come and click on blank document so that we open a blank one where we will do our things. So when we already have this blank document, we shall come and click on the mailings tab. Then from there we will come and say start mail merge. Hopefully all of us can see it well. Then when having clicked on that, we come and now select our recipient list. Now here we have options. We have the option of typing a new list. We have the option of using an existing list, and also choosing from Outlook contacts. But for now we are going to type our new recipient list. So that is the interface that we have for typing in our address list. And now this address list is going to depend on the letter that you have written, what you want to send, because there are some fields here that we will not need, so we are going to have to delete them. In the modifications, we can delete what we don't want, we can add what we want, and yeah, we enter in or we type our recipient list. So for now, let's first go back and see how our parent letter is going to appear, such that we know which fields to delete and which fields to add. So let's come here and have our parent letter. Here it is. In this letter we are it's an invitation letter for a graduation ceremony. So we are having the name of the recipient. That means the name of the recipient is one field which we'll have to enter in the recipient list. With the address, then the date, we can have one date. Let us say the party is going to be on date 20th September 2025, and the subject is here. Then we can have this there is this line of sir, madam, friend, mom, dad. We can have this replaced by a title, because yeah, a title can cater for all this. That means also now in the recipient list we are going to have to include the title. So let's have this, and dear, we will have the title. there. So in our recipient list, we're having the name of the recipient, we're having the address, and we're having the title. So let's go back to this document 1 where we have our recipient list and key in. So the first thing was the name of the recipient. So let's come and tap on this, and then we say so we'll come and customize the columns where we're having title. We are going to come and click on rename. So instead of title, ours, the first is a recipient's name, recipient name. Then you'll come and click OK. Then the next was I think it was the address. We can delete it or we can rename it. So we shall say address, click OK. Then we also come and modify this. We will rename it and now call it the title. Then we come and click OK. Oh, so there is already okay. We can just have this as we can have it as a recipient title. Let's have it as recipient title, because putting title alone, there is already a field with that name, so mail merge will not allow. So we come and say recipient title. Now for these other ones that we don't want, like the company name, let's click OK. Let's come back again to now delete the ones we don't want. Now for these other ones, like company name, you will come and delete. Let's delete all of them. Yeah, so now after deleting all the other fields which are irrelevant or which are not necessary for our letter, we shall now come and say OK. Then after this, we are already seeing our address list only has a recipient name, the address, and the recipient title. So I'm going to pause the video and feed in about 3 entries, and then we'll proceed from there. When you're adding a new entry, I forgot to show you. You could be wondering, you come and click on new entry right here, then you'll see the provision for the next. So the last one, we can say Jemima, and we come and put the city here. We can say Kampala. Then the title, we can have it Reverend Sister. So we are done with our address list. We come and click OK, and we will have to save it. We can just call it address list. Then we save our recipient list right there. So next we'll now come to our parent letter, which is this. I created a dummy for illustrative purposes. So we'll come to the name of recipient. Then we can clear this because we will not need it to appear on our letter, and this is an informal letter, by the way. So we will now come and insert, click on insert merge field, and since we want the recipient name to appear here, we'll now come and click on recipient name. The same thing you'll do for the second one. We will now come and remove this address. Then we shall also come back to where there is insert merge field. Then we click on address. Let's put some spacing there to make our work look neat. Then let's also do a bit of editing here. Then this is where we have our title. We will also take the cursor where we want it to be, and we come and insert the merged field for recipient title. Then let's come and add our sender name. So we can say Fortunate Akelo. Now we have to come and save this parent letter of ours. we'll now come and save it. Let's save it. We will save us since we're saving it for the first time. Then now we come and choose on this computer. We can take it to the desktop. Then we call it, let's call it parent letter. Let's call it parent letter. And we spoke about the saving forms the other time. I will not explain why I'm choosing Word 97 to 2003 document. Then we will save it there, and then we'll now come and finish up everything by clicking on this finish mail merge, and we come and now put edit individual documents. If you want to print it, you can also now print it, or if you are sending an email, you can now send. So we'll come and click on edit individual documents. Then they're telling us to merge to new document. We will click all and now click OK. So let's see the changes that will happen to our letter. So we are now seeing the first is here. Are we seeing that there is now the name Jackie appearing, Gulu City, and her title is Honorable. Yeah, so we can now see we have Jackie, who is our first recipient from Gulu City, and the title here has been inserted Honorable. So let's scroll down to find more of the other copies, because there were 3 people. Then we are seeing the second one is here, Charles from Hoima City, and his title was, he is Mr. And now we come to the last, where we have Jemima from Kampala, and she is a Reverend Sister. So this is the end of mail merge. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Hopefully you understood. Feel free to like, to comment, to share with us what you want us to add, and I thank you once again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and keep hooked up for more videos.